Modern life is a constant stream of notifications, deadlines, and noise pulling you in every direction. In all this chaos, the last thing you want is more complexity. But what if the right gadget could actually give you back time and cut through the stress? That's what this video is about, a curated list of the best simple gadgets and kitchen tools for 2025. These are practical, affordable, and elegantly designed for one-purpose efficiency. They integrate seamlessly into your life, making everyday tasks easier and faster. If you're into smart solutions that genuinely improve your life, make sure you're subscribed to TechProLife. Let's dive into the top 12 genius gadgets you might just need in 2025. First up, the Smart Wi-Fi Instant Pot. This isn't your grandma's pressure cooker, it's a digitally enhanced, culinary game-changer ready to revolutionize your kitchen. Home cooking, upgraded. We're talking about bringing modern convenience to your daily meals, making the process simpler and more enjoyable. The real game-changer? The ability to control your cooking from anywhere. You can control and monitor your cooking from absolutely anywhere with your phone. Imagine starting dinner while you're still at work, or adjusting settings from the comfort of your couch. Load it up in the morning with all your favorite ingredients. Start it from the office using the intuitive smartphone app. And dinner's ready and waiting when you walk in the door. No more last-minute takeout or stressful meal prep after a long day. The app is loaded with a vast library of recipes, offering endless culinary possibilities. And it sends the right settings straight to the pot with a single tap, absolutely no guesswork involved. The smart technology takes care of everything. Real-time notifications keep you updated on the cooking progress, so you're not tied to the kitchen constantly checking on your meal. Enjoy your free time. It pressure cooks, slow cooks, offering incredible versatility. It sautés, steams, and handles a wide range of cooking techniques, and it even makes yogurt, opening up a world of healthy and delicious options. The interface is remarkably intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. The app is incredibly responsive, providing a seamless user experience, and the Wi-Fi connection is rock solid, ensuring reliable control and monitoring. It's about precision, convenience, and complete peace of mind in the kitchen. For busy evenings, it's an absolute lifesaver, simplifying mealtime and reducing stress. It's all about healthy meals and less stress, making it easier to maintain a balanced lifestyle. This is tech that truly serves a purpose, enhancing your cooking experience in meaningful ways, simplifying your routine and giving you back valuable time to spend on the things you love. It's not just a kitchen appliance. It's a smart cooking companion. It's a true time-saving machine, designed to make your life easier and more delicious. For anyone racing the clock at dinner time, struggling to get a healthy meal on the table, this is an absolute must-have, a game-changer that will transform your cooking habits. That's precisely why it tops our list of essential smart kitchen gadgets. Let's explore some innovative kitchen gadgets, designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. First up, the automatic pan stirrer. This isn't just another kitchen tool, it's a quirky gadget that's pure genius. Designed to take the tedium out of stirring, it stirs your food for you, providing consistent and even mixing, freeing you up to multitask in the kitchen, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your meal preparation. Perfect for risotto, where constant stirring is key to achieving that creamy texture. Or sauces, ensuring they don't stick and burn while you're busy with other tasks. It's also great for anything that needs constant stirring, from stews to polenta. Just place it in the pan, turn it on with a simple press of a button, and it does the work. No more being chained to the stove, constantly watching and stirring. You can finally step away and relax or tackle other tasks. It features adjustable speeds, allowing you to customize the stirring intensity to suit your recipe. Made with heat-resistant materials and designed to fit most pans, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Cordless and easy to use with intuitive controls, it's like having a sous chef dedicated to stirring, ensuring your dishes are perfectly cooked every time. It prevents sticking and ensures even cooking, distributing heat uniformly throughout the pan. The impact on your workflow is huge, streamlining your cooking process and saving you valuable time. Especially for complex meals that require constant attention and stirring over extended periods. It's a focused device that solves a real problem with mechanical elegance, simplifying a fundamental cooking task. You don't realize how much you need it until you try it and experience the freedom it brings to your cooking. For anyone who loves to cook but hates being stuck at the stove, constantly stirring and monitoring, this is a game changer, offering a new level of convenience and efficiency. Simple, smart, and surprisingly essential for the modern cook. A small investment for big kitchen freedom, allowing you to enjoy cooking without the constant need for stirring. Precision matters, especially when you're aiming for that perfect dish. Getting the measurements just right can be the difference between a culinary masterpiece and a kitchen mishap. And that's especially true in baking, where the slightest imbalance can throw off the entire recipe. That's where the digital measuring cup and scale comes in. This innovative gadget combines two essential tools into one seamless device, simplifying your cooking process. You can measure ingredients by volume, using it just like a regular measuring cup. Or, switch to weight mode for unparalleled accuracy, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly every time. It's incredibly easy to use. Just pour your ingredients into the cup and read the precise measurement on the clear digital display. It's perfect for bakers looking to achieve consistent results in their cakes, cookies, and breads. It's also ideal for dieters who need to carefully control their portion sizes for healthy eating. Or really, it's for anyone who wants consistent, reliable results in the kitchen, no matter what they're cooking. The convenient tare function lets you easily zero out the weight of the cup or any existing ingredients. This allows you to add multiple ingredients into the same cup, measuring each one accurately without having to empty the cup in between. This means fewer dishes to wash, less clutter on your countertops, and ultimately faster meal prep. When you're done, the detachable cup makes cleanup a breeze. And the intuitive controls make it simple for anyone to use, regardless of their cooking experience. It's lightweight and easy to handle, yet surprisingly sturdy and durable, built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It truly streamlines your workflow, making your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. This gadget brings professional-level precision and accuracy to any home kitchen, empowering you to create culinary masterpieces with confidence. It's a small upgrade to your kitchen toolkit, but it can have a big impact on the quality and consistency of your food. For anyone who truly values accuracy, efficiency, and ease of use in the kitchen, it's an absolute must-have. Simple in design, smart in function, and incredibly useful in practice. Cleaning is a chore, but the cordless handheld vacuum makes it effortless. It's all about instant, grab-and-go cleaning for small messes. No cords, no heavy machines, just pick it up, clean, and dock it. Modern models are powerful, lightweight, and charge via USB-C. Attachments handle everything from crumbs to pet hair. The easy empty dustbin and ergonomic design make it a joy to use. It's perfect for the kitchen, car, stairs, or quick spills. You'll clean more often because it's so convenient. It won't replace your big vacuum, but for everyday messes, it's unbeatable. It reduces the mental load of cleaning and keeps your space tidy. For sheer convenience, a quality handheld vacuum is essential. A true, everyday hero. Organization made easy, the Smart Label Maker. Design labels on your phone with endless fonts, icons, and templates. Print instantly via Bluetooth. No more clunky keyboards. Compact, rechargeable, and uses thermal printing, no ink needed. Label everything, spice jars, storage bins, cables, and files. Save designs in the app for quick reprints and consistent organization. It's fast, versatile, and even a little fun to use. Encourages you to stay organized because it's so easy. The perfect blend of physical tool and modern software. For anyone fighting clutter, this is a small investment with a huge payoff. Bring order to your home or office with a tap. Simple, powerful, and surprisingly satisfying. The touchless soap dispenser. Clean hands, no mess. Place your hand under the sensor and it dispenses the perfect amount of soap. No contact, no cross-contamination, no extra cleaning. Responsive sensors and adjustable output reduce waste. Sleek, minimalist designs fit any kitchen or bathroom. Great for high-traffic areas and for kids, makes hand-washing fun and easy. Battery-powered and efficient with easy refills. It quietly solves a daily annoyance and keeps your space cleaner, reduces germs, cuts down on mess, and adds modern convenience. Once you try it, you won't go back. A small change with a big impact on hygiene. Practical, affordable, and instantly addictive. Space-saving genius, the foldable electric kettle. Made from flexible, food-grade silicone, it collapses to half its size for easy storage or travel. Expand, fill, and boil, then fold it away when you're done. Perfect for travelers, students, campers, or anyone with a small kitchen. Boils water quickly and safely with auto shutoff and boil-dry protection. The sturdy base and handle make it easy to use, no compromise on performance or safety, frees up counter space and fits in a drawer or suitcase. Smart design adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. For big function in a small space, this is unbeatable. A must-have for minimalists and frequent travelers. Clever, convenient, and beautifully executed. Never lose your keys, wallet, or bag again. Bluetooth tracker tags have your back. Attach a tag, pair it with your phone, and find lost items with a tap. If it's nearby, the tag rings. If it's far, the crowdsourced network updates its location. Ultra-wideband tech gives you pinpoint accuracy. Batteries last a year or more and are easy to replace. Setup is quick and simple. It's peace of mind in your pocket, no more frantic searches. Saves time, stress, and the cost of replacing lost valuables. For the forgetful or busy, it's a non-negotiable gadget. Set it and forget it until you need it most. Simple, effective, and a true lifesaver. The automatic pet feeder. Consistency for your pet, freedom for you. Dispenses preset portions at scheduled times, keeping your pet fed even when you're busy. Smart versions let you control feedings from your phone wherever you are. Some have cameras and microphones for check-ins and reassurance. Backup batteries ensure reliability, even during outages. Airtight hoppers keep food fresh and secure from sneaky pets. No more early morning wake-up calls or rushed feedings. Perfect for daily use or short trips away. Reduces stress for both you and your pet. Responsible pet care, made easy. A must-have for any modern pet owner. Tired of tangled cables? The magnetic cable organizer is your solution. Stick the base to your desk or nightstand, snap magnetic clips onto your cables, and keep everything neat. No more cables falling behind furniture or getting knotted. Flexible, easy to add or remove cables, just snap on or off. Clips fit all cable sizes and don't get in the way. Instantly transforms chaos into order. A clear desk leads to a clearer mind. No batteries, no tech. Just clever design and magnets. Affordable, effective, and instantly satisfying. For anyone tired of cable mess, this is a must-have. Simple solutions are often the best. The smart reusable notebook. Handwriting meets the cloud. Write with a special pen, scan with the app, and send notes to your favorite cloud service. White pages clean with a damp cloth and reuse endlessly. Assign icons to destinations. Google Drive, email, Trello, and more. Instantly organize and digitize your notes. Perfect for brainstorming, meetings, or class. No more retyping or paper waste. Eco-friendly and efficient. Replaces hundreds of notebooks. The best of analog and digital in one tool. For students, creatives, and professionals, it's a game changer. A notebook for life, reimagined for today. The multifunction vegetable chopper meal prep, supercharged. Dice, slice, or julienne veggies in seconds with interchangeable blades. Press down and perfectly cut pieces drop into the container, no mess, no tears. Uniform results mean even cooking and professional presentation. Reduces prep time and cleanup, most parts are dishwasher safe. Makes healthy eating easier and more accessible. Great for big batches of soups and salads or salsas. Removes the biggest barrier to home cooking, tedious chopping. Simple, mechanical, and incredibly effective. For anyone who cooks often, it's a must-own. A low-tech tool with high-impact results. There you have it. 12 genius gadgets to make life easier. Each one is a small investment in reclaiming your time and reducing stress. The best tech solves real problems and fades into the background. A few smart upgrades can add up to a calmer, more organized life. Think about your own daily friction points. Maybe one of these is the perfect fix. If you love discovering tech that inspires better living, subscribe to TechProLife. Which gadget would make the biggest difference for you? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.